Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome back to the channel, and today number 6 of the 12 days of Christmas. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to another day on the 12 days of Christmas series. So we're gonna start by selecting a new prompt. I do want to share with you how the bingo card is looking like. I'm so excited. We could possibly get closer to making a bingo. So let's go ahead and select, and of course I want to remind you to leave a comment, leave a like, and go visit Debbie to be part of the giveaway. So I'm going to just pick one here. Oops, I have two, and let's see what we got. We got celebrate. Ooh, I think this will get us closer to the bingo. Yes. So celebrate will be, I guess something that we enjoy celebrating during the holidays. So let's see what we come up with. Okay, so for the celebrate prompt, I'm gonna share with you something we celebrate each year as the holidays come, which is going to the ballet to watch the Nutcracker. So when my kids were little, they participated on their dance studio, and they always did the Nutcracker ballet. It was just the cutest thing, to get ready for the costumes, the practices, and then the performance that they did. They performed at the college here nearby. And then as they grew older and we don't do ballet anymore, we actually enjoy going to watch the Nutcracker ballet at the city, and we make a day of it. We go and watch the ballet. We go and explore the city decorations. They do the ice skating in the park. I mean, it's just really fun. So it's one of our celebrations as the holidays arrive. So that is the project that I'm gonna be sharing with you. And this is a project that I actually created for my magazine. So I won't be doing a tutorial here, but it's just really easy and really cute. So I'm using for this project the Graphic 45 collection of the Nutcracker. It is, I think it's called the Sweet or Nutcracker Sweet, but it is a collection that I had for years, and I really only had one 12 by 12 page, and then I think I had some cut aparts like these little pieces here. So that's what I use to make a puzzle box, and I think this will make a really cute gift. So what I did, and I won't be putting this together because it will take me forever, because I actually decided to cut the pieces kind of like a lot smaller. I think this is 100 pieces here. So what I did, which is I think a really fun idea to do when you have a 12 by 12 piece of paper that you really like, make it into a puzzle. So I hand sketch on the back of that 12 by 12 piece, and if you want to see the step-by-step process and everything, it is on the magazine. I'll list it below here, but what I did is I hand sketch all of the behind the 12 by 12 paper, and all of these pieces are hand drawn, right? So you just draw like the little shapes to kind of make it look like a puzzle, and then you hand cut everything, which is what I did, which took forever, because after I hand cut each one of the pieces that I drew on the back of the 12 by 12, then I backed it on heavyweight cardstock. Now going back, I will probably back the whole 12 by 12 on heavyweight cardstock and then do the cutting. I think it will make it a little bit easier, hopefully. Now some of these shapes are a little bit hard to go in around when you do the heavyweight cardstock, so maybe I I guess it's not a bad thing if you want to just cut the design paper first to make sure you get these nice shapes and you don't ruin your paper, and then back it on the heavyweight cardstock as I did, which it did take a couple days. I'm not gonna lie, it took a long time, but it was so relaxing to do and so fun to make. And me and my girls are into puzzles. We actually, after we finish a puzzle, we mud patch the whole thing, and then we have a wall in the house that we just put all of our finished puzzles for the most part, and this has become a fun puzzle gallery box. And so I'm gonna give this to my daughter so she can put it together, and then we will do the matte patch and then probably hang it in the wall. So that is what I intend to do with this one. So it will be a little Christmas gift for my daughter. And then I went ahead and made these books. Now the measurements for this box are also on the magazine, but the paper that I use to decorate the box are not from the same collection, because like I said, I only had the 12 by 12 sheets and then some ephemera pieces that I use to just add a little bit of decoration here. Now I do suggest also, before you cut your 12 by 12 paper, take a picture of it. And what I'm gonna do is print the picture I took and put it here, so when my daughter is gonna make the puzzle, she knows the image, because obviously she doesn't know the image, how it goes. And I put this together one time after I built it to take the picture for the magazine, and it was so fun, but it took me forever. So I think I made it a little bit too challenging by cutting it into 100 pieces. So you can definitely make it a little bit more manageable, cut it into 20 pieces, 50 pieces, I don't know. But I know my daughter likes a good challenge when it comes to puzzles. And also, after you put it together and you mud patch the whole thing, the image looks really nice with the puzzle shapes on the background of the image, if you know what I mean. Like, it doesn't just look like a piece of 12 by 12 that you hang on the wall. It looks like a puzzle that was put together. So I think it's the best way to kind of keep those 12 by 12 that you love, like the designs, especially the graphic 45. They always make it so pretty and so hard to cut, but you at the same time you're transforming it a little bit. So that is going to be my project share for you guys today, and I hope that you enjoy the walkthrough, and I hope that you have been enjoying this series, and I will see you tomorrow with a new project.
Lines are busting out the door, Christmas songs in every store. Can't